Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about the power of open source contribution. And this power of open source contribution is for you guys because you have done a fabulous job. So please let's keep the like target for 1,000. It's not for me, it's for you, because I'm going to talk about the entire story, what amazing thing you have actually done. Okay. And this is really impressing me, and I still believe like open source contribution can do a lot of many things. Okay. So please make sure that you hit like, because this like is for you, because I'm also going to hit like in my own video because that is completely dedicated to you. Okay. Now let's go ahead. So 1 month back, let's go back 1 month. I'd created this repository which is called as the Grand Complete Data Science Material, and this repository has become like trending in the GitHub with 4.3k stars, and fork was somewhere around 2.2k. What this repository has is this repository has all the materials along with videos, handwritten notes, everything with respect to data science. If you're planning to probably get into a data analytics industry with respect to data scientists, data analysts, this is the repository for you, because here you have the complete videos, let's say Python, stats, SQL, Git and GitHub tutorial, EDA, feature engineering, machine learning playlist, deep learning playlist, important frameworks for production deployment, AWS, ML ops, end-to-end, even end-to-end. There are many end-to-end projects, ML, DL, and NLP projects, till deployment, generative AI, and OpenAI playlist. So all these tutorials you'll be able to see all at one place, step by step, along with the handwritten notes, along with the reference materials that I have specifically used. Okay. And this was liked by many people. They found it very much beneficial. See why I'm creating all these things. From past 5 years, I've been teaching. More than 1700 plus videos are there in my YouTube channel, and tons of people have actually made or cracked or got into the data science industry just by seeing all these specific videos. My main aim is to democratize AI education, and probably in the upcoming 5 years, I also want this entire repository to be as an open source work for everyone. So that is the reason couple of weeks back I'd requested, see, I have uploaded 50 plus end-to-end projects over here, but I also wanted help from your side so that you can also do open source contribution with respect to end-to-end ML project. Now this open source contribution is something for others people to learn, right? They're probably going for the interviews, they want to probably prepare for more end-to-end projects. Since you're already sharing it in LinkedIn, why not just keep it as a repository so that many people actually see it? And this all end-to-end projects will also help you brand yourself. Okay. That is where we had created this specific ML project folder, right? So here you can see initially I just had this one file. Okay. This one file which was having all the end-to-end project, but now just imagine how many projects you have all added. Yes. These are all the projects that has been added to by you, which are completely end-to-end modular coding and many more things, right? I have verified each and every project, and I'm merging things still, finding out new things and all. Just imagine over here, I just counted, it was having more than 30 plus projects, right? Just in a 2-week time span. This is quite amazing. So that is the reason I'm going to give one more like for you guys, right? YouTube had an option of putting heart sign. I had given a heart sign. Now what this open source projects may help you in, it may help you in doing the branding. Let's say there is a project which is called as end-to-end heart disease prediction. This is completely modular coding. I had also given you an option to put LinkedIn profile and all many things, so that people, when they're using this project, if they find out any problem, they may refer to you, right? And through that, you are also building your profile. Not only this, tomorrow, if you're working as a freelancer, you're doing multiple things. If you have created this kind of projects, those projects will be also very simple. And what is the main thing about this particular folder is that, guys, because this folder just not only has an ML project, it also has deep learning project, it has an NLP project, it has LLM projects, many more as such. You can now just clone the repository and probably check it out, right? That amazing this particular folder has become. Again, guys, this really makes me feel really proud because we just started it 2 weeks back. Now we have so much abundant materials, references, right? Projects. The total number of contributors you can see over here, 31. And probably in the upcoming 5 years, I really want to make this repository quite amazing. Because tomorrow, if I'm there or not there, they should be able to refer this. Anyone who is probably studying or learning things, right? And many more things. In 2024, that is the target. In 2024, what is my target? Probably to make sure to show you the importance of open source contribution, to make sure that generative AI, right? I am going to really upload a lot of videos on generative AI. And the third thing is MLOps, right? So these three are the target with respect to myself. So I hope I require your help also with respect to contribution. There is this very amazing saying, Rome is not built in one day. Many people have put their efforts. There was complete planning and for this. So similarly, in this kind of projects, I also require your help. Whatever project you develop as an open source, start contributing it. For contributing it, just go ahead and first of all, fork this entire repository, and inside the ML project, start creating your projects, whatever things you require. So yes, this was just a short video to make you understand the importance of open source contribution. Start doing it. I know this open source contribution is not a tool, but this is also very effective because these are all study materials, free study materials for everyone out there. So yes, this was it for my side. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you, one doll. Take care. Bye-bye.